look at that, yeah.
I mean, I don't know if, I think it's a red oak. I think all of this is red oak that's spalted. But it's also, and then I think you got pecan here.
Those ones on top.
On top that are pretty far gone. But like this is the one that really caught my eye down here.
Yeah.
Fortunately, it's on the bottom.
Yeah, this has a ton of spalting in it, for sure.
Yeah.
You can see it all the way out. But
it's also got a lot of bug holes.
A few bug holes in there.
And then there's a big old section down there. I wonder how hard it's going to be to move these. I guess all we got to do is get the sleds here. Okay, so we are out at Matt's place. Just showed up. You can tell this place is, it's pretty beat up. He's got a lot to do. A lot of just old junk. Look at this building here. Completely burned down. He just got the wall standing. But he does have a beautiful view. He got the Guadalupe River right down off that bluff. We got a pile of logs in here that we're going to kind of sort through, try to pull out. Luckily, Matt's skid steer's out here, so we're going to grab that and try to yank some of these suckers out of here and see what we got. I think, you know, definitely this looks like a red oak in here. It's spalting, and then there's some pecan mixed in with it. It's hard to know with the spalting if it's too far gone. A lot of bugs, so I think we just grab a few and give it a go.
I wonder how many snakes are waiting for us in here.
I would guess there's a few. Nice.
Cool.
All right, let me go get the skid steer.
Okay, so got to drop down the bar. Idle up right here. Okay. So your right hand's gonna be the bucket.
Okay.
So you have to hit the green button over there on your left, and then aux. See the aux button? Same one it to your right there. That's for the bucket.
Okay.
Okay, so that's out.
So what am I gonna?
Toggle in the center. The little flip.
This one?
Yep. No, down one.
This.
That's your bucket. So that's your claw.
Oh, okay, gotcha. And then this is gonna drive me.
That's more left right.
Okay. This thing's awesome. Ah! Down.
Go up more.
It won't go down anymore.
And then tilt.
There we go.
You don't want it?
Chain on it.
How do you attach it? Just to itself?
Yeah, over a link. No, but slide it. That'll
Go through it, right?
Yep. Yeah. No.
I'm trying to go through it.
Oh, yeah. Right, okay. You got it then. Yeah, that'll choke it off. And then I'll get as close as I can get.
Some of the cracks, though, are already telegraphing from the center all the way out.
Oh, yeah. All right. I think we'll call it 3 shorty logs. Not bad. It's full of bugs. Oh my gosh! Just leave it.
It's
It's not moving. We'll go strap from here to here.
Yeah.
And then maybe winch. Yeah, I think that's the best. Maybe I can go around here and then hook back up. Oh my gosh. That is disgusting.
Look at the size of that guy. Oh, he's still kicking. That's a big one.
That's so cool. Look at this, got legs and everything, dude. He was right here.
It's like a
I'm sure I'm gonna hit a lot of these.
Stephen King inspiration.
Chicken dinner here. What's up, Bruno? I got a snack for you, buddy. Dude, you see it? Oh, yep, munched it down. Oh, she's excited. Oh, that's gross. Okay, so we're getting into the center of this, and it's starting to look a little bit better. Some solid wood in here. Still got some pretty gnarly bug holes in it, but this stuff is pretty. We got great color in it. It's got some spalting out here. So I'm liking this. Look at that, that's pretty neat. Get a few more slabs out of this, that'll be pretty solid. And you can see this end of the board here. Kind of still have that good solid pecan there. Whew, it's a lot of work though. Keep on going. Okay, so just cut into what I was told is a China berry, and this thing is pretty sweet looking. Cool color to it, and we got a little crotch in here, so we're gonna have some good figure as we work our way down into it. Cuts so easy too. I mean, this must be fairly soft because it goes much quicker than the pecan. So we got the flat surface cut. Now we can throw on, we'll go 2 inches on these. Hopefully keep it a little flatter on this go and knock out some boards. All right, so we're about 3 boards in on the Chinaberry. It's turned out to be a little bit of a disappointment. It's definitely rotten in the middle. You just see that flakes right out. So that's not usable. This out here is pretty soft. It's nice and hard way up close to the sapwood, but as you get in, you know, it just gets softer. So I think this quarter rift stuff I might be able to salvage and use. It's just a soft wood. And anywhere you got this flat sawn in here in this crotch, it's still kind of rotten in here. It is, man. It's bad there. I don't think it's going to get any better looking at the end of it. Looks like it just kind of, oh yeah, watch this. That's rotten. So I don't know. I mean, it's good out here, kind of. Not really. You got like an inch or 2 solid wood. I don't know. I'm gonna give it one more. And that's some pretty looking stuff in there. You just have to cut around the rot and use it for small pieces. One day when I finally use this, I'll be like, who was the idiot that was poking holes in it? Of course, I won't be able to use that anyway, because yeah, it was just rotten. Holy smokes. Well, you don't always win. That's what happens when you pull it out of a burn pile. I'm telling how long it was sitting on the ground. All right, I'm gonna cut one more. Okay, I got some exciting news to share with you guys. I've been building furniture now for 10 years. Celebrating 10 years in business. I've built, do I have a black eye? Man, look a little beat up. 10 years, man, 10 years of building furniture will wear you out. Let me tell you, that's why I have gray hair. But it's a lot of fun. I've had amazing opportunities over the last 10 years, and I was thinking to myself, I need to do something. I need to make a t-shirt for y'all to celebrate this. And I was like, what am I most thankful for 10 years of being a woodworker and making furniture? And I think, to be honest with you, the fact that I still have 10 fingers. So check this out. I gave this idea to my buddy, and he went with it, and we've got Andy Rawls Fine Texas Woodcraft, 10 years, still have 10 fingers, established 2013. I love this design. At first, I was kind of like, man, there's a lot going on, but it's cool. You know, you got the hands there. We still got 10 fingers, and you even put little candles in there to celebrate. So, super cool design. We've got this color with black text, and we also have black with white text. So, guys, go support the channel. Head over to Bunker. I'll link all this in the description. Get yourself a t-shirt. Celebrate 10 years with me. I would really appreciate that. Help support what I do. Help support me make this content. So, go check it out. I would appreciate it. As always, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see y'all next time.